If you're looking for the best small gas grill available, you've come to the right place. Small gas grills provide the amazing features of a propane grill with a small grill's convenience. For those who like outdoor cooking but don't have a large backyard or spacious patio available, a small gas grill is a great option. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 small gas grills on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CharBroil Performance 300 Small Cabinet Propane Gas Grill. The CharBroil Performance 300 has a lot going for it. It has 300 square inches of cooking space, a storage cabinet, and 2 burners. It has the capacity to cook about 16 burners on its cast iron grills. It has 2 metal side shelves for plenty of extra prep space, and the storage cabinet below the unit has 4 caster wheels that make this compact grill easy to move this grill around in small spaces. The Performance 300 has a lid-mounted temperature gauge for consistent temperature control and even includes a convenient electronic push-button ignition system for quick startup. Number 2. Weber Spirit 2E210. The Weber Spirit 2E210 is the epitome of a small gas barbecue grill with a larger model's features. It comes with a whopping 450 square inches of cooking space, burns at a nice hot 26,500 BTUs, has reversible porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, and includes the Weber GS4 grilling system. One of my favorite features of this Weber grill is the folding side tables, which help them fit into a compact space when not in use. It even comes with a set of side hooks to hold your cooking utensils in a convenient, reachable place. All in all, this gas grill is just a fantastic little unit that can fit in a smaller space while providing you with all the features you need in a propane gas grill. Number 3. Weber Q1000 Small Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber Q1000 is an excellent small portable gas grill option, perfect for small patios or balconies. It comes with a fairly powerful burner and includes push-button ignition for easy starts. It's built with cast aluminum and reinforced nylon, making it pretty durable and able to withstand a beating. This gas grill is good if it's going to be transported around to outdoor spaces like picnics and beaches. It runs off the small portable propane bottles, but you can connect it to a 20-gallon propane tank using an optional LP adapter hose. This is one of the best portable gas grills on the market. Weber is known for building products that can stand the test of time, and the Q1000 is another example of quality craftsmanship. Number 4. Weber 46110001 Spirit E210 LP Gas Grill. The Weber Spirit E210 is one of the best gas grill models available on the market. It's practically purpose-built for small patios and apartment balconies. It features 26,000 BTUs of heating power, a lot for a small propane grill, porcelain enameled cast iron grates, fold-down tables for plenty of prep space, and a warming rack with hooks to hang your cooking utensils. This liquid propane gas grill is lightweight and portable, built with aluminum and steel for extra durability in an outdoor setting. It's also easy to move around on its 2 caster wheels and 2 larger wheels. The E210 makes a great starter grill for the beginning barbecue enthusiast or the person who often cooks for 1 to 2 people that's not ready to invest in a more expensive model. Even though it's inexpensive, it has the same durability that made Weber one of the grilling business's best brands. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG 180 Petite Gourmet Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Grill is a cool little compact barbecue that folds up like a suitcase that you can take with you practically anywhere. It comes with extendable legs that allow you to easily set it up on its own or fold them in to set it up on a table or other surface. This small propane grill has a single burner that produces about 5,500 BTUs of heat across 160 square inches of cooking space, which is enough cooking room for about 4 to 6 people at a time. It Has a twist to start ignition system that makes it really easy to turn on or off. It also has a built-in temperature gauge that makes it easy to control the cooking temperatures. At 17 pounds of weight, this compact gas grill is easily one of the most portable small gas grills on the market and should be considered for anyone who likes to camp, tailgate, or picnic. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.